The Chocolate Factory. Based on the beloved Roald Dahl, this story is about Charlie Bucket and his grandpa Joe. Charlie, his parents and grandparents lived together in a small house. They were poor and did not have enough to eat. Charlie had a hard life, but there was one thing that delighted him: Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory. The delicious aromas coming from the chocolate factory always fascinated Charlie.
Charlie, I have some news. Mr. Wonka is holding a contest. He will be opening up his factory doors to 5 lucky children who can find golden tickets in Wonka chocolate bars.
Oh, how I wish I could buy a Wonka chocolate bar. Then I could try to win a ticket too. But we have no money.
One day, Charlie was walking home from school when he found some money lying on the ground. He couldn't believe it. He picked up the money.
What? Good luck! I will buy a Wonka chocolate bar with this money.
Charlie finds a golden ticket inside his chocolate bar.
Wow, wow, wow! I cannot believe it. I have won a golden ticket. I can enter the chocolate factory.
Charlie returns home and shares the good news with his family. With his grandpa Joe, Charlie goes for the chocolate factory tour as promised by Mr. Wonka.
There is so much chocolate of so many different kinds. I could eat all of it.
And so many shapes and colors too, son. Chocolate trees, flowers, tables, fountains. It's incredible.
Oh, look at those tiny people. Grandpa Joe, who are they? See those tiny people, Grandpa.
Well. They are the Oompa Loompas. They look so funny and strange, don't they? Mr. Willy Wonka is quite a sight himself.
Grandpa, this tour will always be memorable. I am having so much fun.
Indeed, my dear child.